In today's fast-paced world, where information flows relentlessly, and demands on our time and attention seem never-ending, the ability to maintain a sharp and focused mind is a skill that can significantly impact our personal and professional lives. This skill is often referred to as presence of mind, a concept that goes beyond mere mindfulness and encompasses the capacity to stay calm, make sound decisions, and perform effectively in high-pressure situations. In this video, Boosting Your Presence of Mind, Practical Tips, we will delve into the idea of presence of mind, its importance, and offer practical tips on how to boost and harness this vital skill. Understanding presence of mind. Presence of mind, sometimes known as situational awareness or mental composure, is the state of being fully aware and engaged in the present moment. It involves having a clear and uncluttered mind capable of reacting thoughtfully and effectively to any situation. While it shares commonalities with mindfulness, presence of mind is more about active engagement with one's surroundings and the ability to think and act strategically, especially in challenging circumstances. The importance of presence of mind. Presence of mind is a valuable asset in various aspects of life. Whether in personal relationships, professional endeavors, or emergency situations, having a high level of situational awareness can make a substantial difference. Personal relationships. In personal relationships, being present and attentive can enhance communication and empathy. It allows individuals to connect genuinely with others, understand their needs, and respond empathetically, thus nurturing strong, healthy relationships. Professional performance. In the workplace, presence of mind can lead to better decision-making, improved problem-solving, and increased productivity. It enables employees to adapt to changing circumstances and handle high-pressure situations with grace. Emergency situations. In critical situations, such as accidents or disasters, presence of mind can be a lifesaver. People with this skill can remain calm, assess the situation accurately, and take the necessary actions to minimize harm. Components of presence of mind. Presence of mind comprises several key components. Awareness. Awareness is the foundation of presence of mind. It means being fully cognizant of your surroundings, your emotions, and the people around you. It also involves paying attention to details and potential cues in your environment. Emotional regulation. The ability to regulate one's emotions is crucial for maintaining presence of mind. Emotions can cloud judgment and hinder clear thinking. Those with presence of mind can manage their emotions effectively, preventing them from taking over in critical situations. Adaptability. Presence of mind involves adaptability and the capacity to pivot when circumstances change. This flexibility is essential for problem-solving and decision-making. Strategic thinking. Having a strategic mindset is another component of presence of mind. It means being able to analyze situations, consider potential outcomes, and make informed decisions that align with your goals. Rapid decision-making. In high-pressure situations, quick decision-making can be vital. Presence of mind enables individuals to make rational decisions swiftly, without succumbing to panic or indecision. Practical tips for boosting your presence of mind. Now that we have a deeper understanding of presence of mind and its importance, let's explore practical strategies and tips for boosting and mastering this skill. Mindfulness meditation. Mindfulness meditation is a powerful practice for developing awareness and emotional regulation. Regular meditation sessions can train the mind to stay present, observe thoughts without judgment, and manage emotions effectively. Breathing techniques. Deep breathing exercises can help calm the mind and reduce stress. When faced with a challenging situation, taking a few deep breaths can restore clarity and composure. Visualization. Visualization techniques involve mentally rehearsing scenarios and potential responses. This can be particularly helpful in preparing for important meetings, presentations, or any situation that requires focus and confidence. Mindful listening. In personal relationships and professional settings, practicing mindful listening can enhance communication and empathy. It involves fully engaging with what others are saying, without distraction or judgment. Physical well-being. Physical health is closely linked to mental well-being. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and adequate sleep can contribute to better cognitive function and emotional stability. Stress management. Developing effective stress management strategies is essential for maintaining presence of mind. Techniques such as time management, setting realistic goals, and seeking support when needed can help reduce stress. Practice under pressure. To truly master presence of mind, it's crucial to practice in real-life situations. This can involve role-playing scenarios or taking on challenging tasks that require focus and adaptability. Continuous learning. Presence of mind is not a one-time achievement. It's an ongoing process of self-improvement. Continuously seeking knowledge, feedback, and self-reflection can help individuals refine this skill over time. Real-life example 1. Aaron Ralston's survival. Aaron Ralston's harrowing survival story in the Utah wilderness is a testament to the power of presence of mind. In 2003, while hiking alone in Blue John Canyon, Ralston's arm became trapped under a boulder. He realized that his chances of rescue were slim, and he faced a life-threatening situation. Ralston's presence of mind kicked in as he meticulously rationed his supplies, used his pocket knife to amputate his own trapped arm, and managed to rappel down a 65-foot cliff to seek help. His calm decision-making and resourcefulness during this ordeal were extraordinary, ultimately leading to his rescue. Real-life example 2, Apollo 13 mission. The Apollo 13 mission is a classic example of presence of mind in the face of a life-threatening crisis. In 1970, while on its way to the Moon, the spacecraft suffered a catastrophic oxygen tank explosion, jeopardizing the lives of the astronauts on board. Flight Director Gene Kranz, along with the astronauts and the entire mission control team, demonstrated exceptional presence of mind. They worked tirelessly to develop innovative solutions, including using the lunar module as a lifeboat and improvising a CO2 removal system from available materials. Their collective calm, critical thinking, and adaptability played a crucial role in bringing the astronauts safely back to Earth. Real-life example 3, Simone Biles' gymnastics triumph. Simone Biles, the world-renowned gymnast, showcased remarkable presence of mind during the 2021 Tokyo Olympics. In the midst of intense competition and enormous pressure, Biles withdrew from several events, including the team final and individual all-around, citing concerns about her mental and physical well-being. Her decision to prioritize her mental health over Olympic medals demonstrated an incredible level of self-awareness and emotional regulation. Biles' willingness to openly discuss her struggles with mental health helped destigmatize the issue in the world of sports and encouraged others to prioritize their well-being. In a world filled with distractions, stressor, and unexpected challenges, mastering presence of mind is a valuable and attainable skill. It can enhance personal relationships, boost professional performance, and even save lives in emergencies. By cultivating awareness, emotional regulation, adaptability, strategic thinking, and rapid decision-making, individuals can unlock their full potential and navigate life's complexities with grace and confidence. Remember that presence of mind is not an innate trait. It's a skill that can be developed and honed through practice and dedication. So, embark on the journey of self-improvement, and you'll find that the rewards are well worth the effort. In a world that constantly demands our attention, the ability to be truly present in the moment is a gift we can give ourselves, a gift that can transform our lives for the better.